Hello, dear investors and Homely members. Welcome to my video. This is MG. So this is a Homely market watch on 26th Thursday today. We'll share you this topic. This afternoon, Malaysia's parliament already passes their 2021 budget. So has chance come for the construction counters? We know that this is a counter, one of the sector or concept will be influenced by the budget, because their plan, the budget will have some new projects for this construction. So also have many investors want to know how to lay out in advance. Okay, so we will take a look. And of course, this video is purely for study and discussion. All the shares all the shares mentioned is not for recommended, and a lot for call buy and sell, lead to trade with your own independent thinking. Let's take a look about the KLCR first, okay? KLCR today closes at 1612. Is really close to this short-term previous high, okay? Very close, but still have some space to hit the previous high, 1618. But the whole KLCR is just a sideways, okay? Sideways in this big box, okay? Big box. If you think it's too big, then you can set half of this half price of this big box is 1547. Currently the correction is still above half of this box, so you know this correction is a very slightly one. At the same time, I also put analyze in terms of the funds. So many people only analyze their what it is, their price actually is still not complete. If you know, okay, the answers of the price up or down actually is because of the funds, then you also need to analyze the funds so that you know how potential of the breakout or breakdown. Okay, so we can use this MCD and MCDX, okay, especially for these blue chips and the index, we can use MCDX so that you can see some medium short-term profitable chips or medium short-term market makers in this market. So actually in this area, this day is their vaccine, okay, stimulate day. So at that time already have medium short-term profitable banker chips are inside of this whole market, okay, whole market. But we can see have some correction recently, but this red chip still remains. So you know, okay, still have some chance. But basically the MCD cannot show anything. So you know that it's only short-term chance. Okay, so this is the LCI. In short term, we can also find some support and resistance. Okay, in short term, we can use today's positive candlestick hard price 1604 as the short term support, because this is also the gap of last Thursday. Okay, upper ledge, okay, upper edge of this gap, and also half price of this candlestick. So it's really a good short-term support. If it still can remain above 1604, then no problem. And this is what we need to learn, how to move in our profit. Our stock profits can make money, okay, make money really, and also make the stop loss to protect our cost price, which is very important. But we know today the big rally, okay, two things influenced by the parliament, okay, by the budget passes, the budget, and also is driven by the technology counters. Technology is kind of a comeback, and technology is basically influenced by the NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ. We can see NASDAQ in America, okay, the technology index, okay, is very close to the previous high, okay, is very close to the previous high. Before the Dow Jones break up the history high, 30,000, right? But now here, the only NASDAQ haven't break up the previous high, but it's very, very close, okay? Considering Thursday is American Thanksgiving Day, so we'll no market. Only wait till Friday, okay, till Friday half day market, so to see whether it can break up or not. Otherwise, it's still in kind of a sideways. But currently, from checking a lot of technical counters, actually have a really good chance to buy again to average down. Okay, because before it's also just correction for short term. Now we take a look about the short term list. Okay, short term sector list. Today is the technology in the first number one. Okay, driven up. Okay, increased 3.3%, and then construction. Okay, 2.9%. And energy, the recovery counters are energy and the financial, okay, a little bit drop, especially energy drop 2%, okay. So but basically we know that is kind of short-term correction, okay. Later on we will check a little bit. But why I say that construction is because of this parliament, of this budget, because we can consider to compare recent rally, recent ranking list of the whole sector, okay, during this rally. The rally start from November 5th, okay, start from November 5th. So we can see, right, we can see actually from November 6th till now, basically the best performance is the energy and then financial, okay. This is best performance, and then industry and the construction only 10%. Is not so extraordinary, so it's just so that's why I say that today's rally is just news driven. Whether it can continue to going up or not, later on we will check. Okay, before we check the construction, we check about the energy counters. KL energy, we see the energy, and we can see still have a small bank chips at 7%. But before we say that is a short-term chance, because one thing, it cannot break up the white line. White line is the boundary of the bull and the bear. It cannot break up, so short-term or medium short-term. And the second thing is the bank chip is not so enough. So second way to say why you lay out for short-term. Before we say every time after big candlestick is you will have for short-term correction, but this time because it meet the resistance by the white line, so actually this positive candle is not so strong, okay. The regularity seems a little bit different, but so far because it's still very close to the same level, okay, same level area, and the bank chip still almost remains around 7%. So I say that is short-term correction, okay, short-term arrangements, okay. Later on, if we still can standing above half of this candlestick, still have a chance to buy back again, okay, because it's one of the recovery counters, right, recovery sector. About the individual shares also, if you do short term, you also need to take your profit in time. For example, the P Energy, we also analyzed before. P Energy, very big rally, but they also dropped 2.9%. How to trade in short term? You see the bank tips in daily chart is 34%. Only one day more than 50%, but cannot remain. So also short term or medium short term, then you use hourly chart to buy and sell. So we go to the hourly chart now. Hourly chart will use the trend expert to buy and sell, okay. So this trend expert TE, the red bar is the short-term uptrend, okay. It's different from the candlestick color, okay. And the green color is short-term downtrend. So when the red bar turns to green bar is your sell point, and then green bar turns to red bar is your buy point. So you will see the sell point is here, okay. Today 7 o'clock. Oh, sorry, yesterday 7 o'clock. Okay, if you didn't sell yesterday 7 o'clock, today market open, you can also sell. So one of my members also buy this counter before, and he just sold. So this, okay, this price is just 1.1. So he sell at 1.08, very close, because he used the software and apply it into practice. So that's why he only buy 2 days. 2 days he make 30%. That's very good performance, right? It's a good result for him already as a new member. Okay, so this is the P Energy. Other similar counter, also the same operation. So you need to have the method and you have the software, then you can take the money into your pocket. Okay, so already your profit now. So this is about the market view. If you actually in my daytime, I will also post the updates during the daytime in around 1 p.m. Have Mandarin version and English version about the index and the sectors. We'll take a look about okay, how's the market going on, about the index and about the sector. Sector rotation continues, right? Also mentioned, and the strong counters, the strong sector, and the telecommunication already analyzed, and also have individual shares analyzed, but it's not for recommendation. But I also said how to lay out for your individual shares, right? And also have choose some counters which have analyzed most by the investor. Okay, so today analyze the technology counter MPI and the Opcom, and also the glove counter AD. Okay, so for reference. Okay, for reference. So if you want to receive these updates, you can just send homely lunch to 011 1652792. Can just send homely lunch to 011 1652792. Okay, next, then we take a look about the construction counter to see whether we can enter or some of them whether have a chance or not. So we can go to the sector. This is the sector construction. Okay, construction, and we can see totally 54 construction counters. Today, number one is Jax, okay, and also have some stories, so we can take a look about the Jax. Jax actually also have some good project information, something like that. So recently, also have many investors ask me, including some member. So we can see this counter from analyzed from the long term, basically is very volatile, okay, big drop, big up, okay, big rally, big drop, okay, like this. So we need to be careful that medium short term or short term is our best strategy. If long term, you can see from here when the price break up the white line till now, totally we can calculate from here till now totally is how much? 200. Hold on, sorry. We can calculate here. I cannot move. Sorry. I need to try again. Okay, we try again. From here, maybe we're a little bit before here to here, totally 285 days. Okay, so around 1 year, right? 1 year plus, only 58% is really, okay, compared to short term for them from here to here, only 96 days, you have already 87%. And the recent rally, you can see 14 days, you have 37%. So compared to the the efficiency of your funds, you see short-term or medium-term is better. And currently, actually, before when investor ask me, I also say that in sideway, but have banker tips control. And we can see the banker tips already control the share around this date. This date is November the 5th. November the 5th, the bank chips already control, just a little bit sideways because it meet resistance by the previous high. Okay, have some sell off. Okay, have some pressure here, so cannot break out. Okay, so in this time you can wait until it break out or do some short term. So some members just go to the hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart to find some short term chance. So you can see here when the green bar turn to red bar is your buy point. This is today for 12 p.m. Okay, 12 o'clock. And then when the bar break out the major line is also buy point is 4 p.m. today. Okay, why we say here when the green bar turns red bar can buy up below the major line because the daily chart already controlled by the banker. So this aggressive buy point in daily chart actually no big problem, right? So for example, like here you also buy and then you sell, no problem. Okay, maybe you just buy here. Even 1 hour, we can see you can also make money like 7.5%, only 1 hour, right? 1 hour, 7% already. Okay, this is the jacks, and we can also see others but not everyone. I just choose some of you. For example, this one Fajar Ramu Fajar Baru is also okay, a good share. It's already standing above the white line, and also with banker chip support, right? But it's trying to break out the previous high. So far, no big problem. Not a trend. The banker chips is 46%, no retailer, and also we can check this AME is also strong share, strong counter. You see, it level influenced by this MCO, this pandemic. So you see, only here some sideways, but it's against drop, right? It's really good one. Against drop is a potential one. So later on, the third wave fly. Okay, so you see, you listen to the news or you listen to the bankers. You listen to news, maybe you already sold. But if you listen to the bankers, you can make money. So from here till here, 17 days you have 42%. Not bad. It's very stable because banker fully control. Now banker chips 84%. We can also check some counters you ask most. For example, Echo West. Echo West, okay lah, right? Okay, but not so strong because no banker chips all the way below the white line. Okay, below the white line, very short-term chance. Okay, the retailer are around 26%. Most of their chips is yellow chips, hot money, foreign funds for short-term only. Okay, short-term before it can break up the white line, and also got banker appears. Before that, you do very short-term or you just choose other counters. Okay, because no big chance for this counter first. And also Gamuda. Gamuda. Okay, Gamuda. Also sideways, no banker tips, right? But the good thing is it better than EcoWest because there's no retailers really have a little bit bankers. So kind of this share have potential to shoot up, okay, to shoot up. But I'm not saying that you just buy in now and waiting. Okay, I just have some potential, not 100%. And if you have the software, you can also buy when the day it starts. You must have some signals, okay? So this is the construction, okay? But if you want to know other construction counters, you can just leave the shares in the comment, okay? In the comment, I will reply you in the comment, okay? Thank you very much. And if you want to attend Homily's preview class for more details of this system, you can attend our class, okay? The Mandarin version, we have invite a master, okay? Invite a master. This Saturday afternoon is Mandarin version, and Sunday morning is the English version. You can attend, and if you member, no need to register, only non-member, okay, you need to register 011-16527-962. And if you want to join my WhatsApp broadcast, you can also send a WhatsApp to me, 011-16527-962. Okay, thank you very much for your watching today. That's almost all for today's video. So if you can learn something new from my video, please give me a like and also comment below the video. And also if you want to receive upcoming videos, you can subscribe the channel and turn on the bell. Thank you very much and see you tomorrow. Bye.